रूस और तुर्किया ने फलस्तीनी रियासत के क़याम के लिए मुश्तरकः जद्दोजहद पर इत्तफाक कर लिया। रूसी वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने तुर्क हममनसब हाकान फिदान के साथ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा कि रूस और तुर्किया बहर अस्वद के ख़ित्ते, मशरिक़ वुस्ता और दीगर मकामात पर सलामती यकीनी बनाने के लिए करीबी ताउन के साथ काम करेंगे।
And we complement each other's efforts in all these regions. We are concerned with issues that are emerging in the Middle East due to the Iranian conflict, or rather Iranian-Israeli conflict that is spreading outside the Strait of Hormuz. The issue of Lebanon has not disappeared. The issue of Palestine has not disappeared either, even though the Palestinian state, the leadership of Israel said is not going to be established, which is a direct violation of the UN ruling. Russia and Turkey cannot agree with this, and we will continue to insist on making sure that the agreements that were reached were implemented